Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to enable dynamic lock screen auto on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. As you can see currently, our lock screen is pretty boring as it always looks the same, so let's change that. All you have to do is go to settings, scroll down a little, go to wallpaper and style. Here we want to go into change wallpapers and we want to scroll all the way down into wallpaper services. We click this and here we can enable our dynamic lock screen. We hit apply and now it will ask which random videos or photos, we want to set as our lock screen background. So I will choose art because I am very artistic person. Some might say also acoustic, but you know. And we can always click special because some people would also say that I am a very special person. But let's just ignore that, and now it is set. So now if we go to our lock screen, we can see that each time I'm going to open my lock screen, it looks different. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.